Hi, this is Steve with All Week Air Conditioning and another home air conditioning cooling system, easy troubleshooting steps and maintenance tips. Today, we're looking at causes for noises occurring in the indoor air conditioning handler. A swoosh, a squeal, a grind, a buzzing. In some older units that are belt-driven, squealing sounds can come from the air handler when the belt that connects the motor to the blower slips. The belt is probably improperly aligned or worn and needs replacement. Please refer to your owner's manual to put the belt drive back in place or replace it. If a direct drive blower is squealing or making a grinding noise, the motor's bearings, are probably worn and no longer workable. So this requires a motor replacement. Shut off the unit and please call an HVAC professional. If the air handler is making a buzzing sound when on, only the thermostat and fan in the relay or air handler comes on. Switch off the thermostat, heat and cool, then switch the fan back to on. If the air handler makes a buzzing sound, it's probably a bad fan relay, or more likely, a blown fan. It's highly recommended at that point to hire the services of a professional HVAC technician for proper repairs. So, please call an all-week certified technician at 888-333-2422 to get professional service anytime. And visit us on the web at allweekairconditioning.com for more information and saving coupons. At All Week HVAC, your comfort and satisfaction, that's our priority. Thank you.